Mina what I've noticed in church ukuthi siyakhonza yabo siyakholwa kodwa mase ubheka ukuthi okay what are we doing because we already have this powerful community ening. We don't have, some churches don't have a church building but kuyanikelwa every Sunday. Akukho mhlawumbe even umsebenzi wokuuplift umphakathi akuyabona nje ukuthi nje kumnandi siyacula amahosana masindawonye. So mine is to say let's challenge ourselves ukuthi there's a lot of vacant buildings la edrobheni la khona abazalwane bebengahlanganisa imali kuthiwe nje siyapledge we are buying that building whether soyenza irest noma siyenze in siphume manje emanikinikini yabo ukuthi uma ukhola fanele uhlupheke no azelanga uzohlupheka. uNkulunkulu wathi mangabe sidala wathi have dominion kuGenesis wathi nibuse phezulu kwakho konke. So sizobusa la emhlabeni akukho la okunye uma uhamba ubuyele kuNkulunkulu umphefumulo uya kuNkulunkulu awekho amagrapes lapha ala
amagrapes uqinise lapha amagrapes
amagrapes
Sina lapho
manje bayi
amagrapes ala. So njengabazalwane kufanele sifu